Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss some of the exercise problems from the 10th grade trigonometric chapter. Myself Selina, welcome to Miracles and Academy. Let's see the first problem. Cosec plus sin A into cosec A minus sin A equal to cot square A plus cos square A. So if you take the LHS, it is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. Cosec A plus sin A into cosec A minus sin A. What is A plus B into A minus B? It is A square minus B square. So the same thing you can write it as cosec square A minus sin square A. Actually we need the output in terms of cot and cos. So cosec square A, how can you write it in terms of cot? Cosec square A minus cot square A is 1. So cosec square A is 1 plus cot square A. The next one we need it in terms of cos square A. So sin square A you can write it as sin square A is nothing but 1 minus cos square A. So this cosec square A you can replace with 1 plus cot square A and minus sin square A is 1 minus cos square A. So when you multiply this minus inside, you will get 1 plus cot square A minus 1. Minus into minus is plus, so plus cos square A. 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled and you will get cot square A plus cos square A. Hence prove the RHS. Let's see another problem. Cos A plus sin A the whole square plus cos A minus sin A the whole square equal to 2. So let's take the LHS. Cos A plus sin A the whole square plus cos A minus sin A the whole square. So if you take the first one, cos A plus sin A the whole square. This is in the format of A plus B the whole square. What is A plus B the whole square? It is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So the same thing you can write it as cos square A plus sin square A plus 2 sin A cos A. And the second one, cos A minus sin A the whole square, which is in the terms of A minus B the whole square. What is A minus B the whole square? It is A square plus B square minus 2AB. So the second part you can write it as cos square plus sin square minus 2 sin A cos A. So if you see here there is plus 2 sin A cos A and minus 2 sin A cos A. So that will get cancelled. And what is sin square A plus cos square A? You already learned it. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So that means the same thing you can write it as 1 plus 1, that is 2. Hence prove the RHS. Let's see one more problem. Cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A into tan A plus cot A equal to 1. So let's take the LHS. LHS is cosec A minus sin A. So actually we need the output as 1. So cosec A we can write it in terms of sin A. Cosec A is nothing but 1 by sin A minus sin A, and sec A you can write it as 1 by cos A. Tan A you can write it as sin by cos A, and cot A is cos A by sin A. As there is a minus symbol here, you need to find the LCM is sin A. You need to cross multiply it. So 1 minus sin square A by sin A into 1 minus cos square A by sin A into, this is, here the LCM is sin A cos A. So when you cross multiply it, sin square A plus cos square A by sin A cos A. So we already learned that sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So what is 1 minus sin square A? 1 minus sin square A is cos square A by sin, and 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. So you can, and sin square A plus cos square A is 1. The same thing you can rewrite as cos square A by sin A into sin square A by cos A into 1 by sin A cos A. So here this sign and this sign will get cancelled. This sign and this sign will get cancelled. This cos and this cos will get cancelled, and this cos and this cos will get cancelled. So finally you will be having 1. So hence prove the RHS. Let's see one more problem. 1 by ck plus tan A equal to ck minus tan A. So here also we will take the LHS, 1 by ck plus tan A. So how will you get it to ck minus tan A? So if you multiply with the same value to the numerator and the denominator, the value won't change. So in this problem, we will be multiplying with ck minus tan A by ck minus tan A. So the value won't change. So when you multiply here, denominator is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. So you can write it as numerator will be ck minus tan a and the denominator will be a square minus b square. So c square a minus tan square. What is c square a minus tan square? It is 1. So that means we proved the RHS. It is ck minus tan a. See you with another video.